Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the American Tactical Imports Omni Hybrid Maxx pistol. And I know what you're thinking, what's in the box?
What's in the fucking box?
And there she is. Bada bang, bada boom. Alright, there she is. ATI Omni Hybrid Maxx pistol. You get your sticker here. You can guess where I bought this from. I believe I paid $350 for this. It may have been $380. I don't remember. It has some plastic, so we're gonna get through that with a tricky little butterfly knife here. So we'll remove the plastic and give you a closer look. There she is. ATI Omni Hybrid Maxx. It does have a lot of polymer parts, including the lower, which I will eventually switch out. Set that to the side. And you also get your mag. Made in the USA. That to the side. You get your gun lock, obviously, which again I don't use. You get your instruction manual. Checklist, which okay, and you get some gun oil, but I have my preferred one that I use. So let's get a closer look at the pistol. So one last closer look. And then we're gonna remove this, opening that, and then your mag. Shit is cleared. So yeah, it's ready to go. What do you guys think?